Okay, Diva, so jumping right in, today we are going to be doing a talk through because upon receiving this, I realized that it's not like the last one. So let's just get into it. So today we have the Zury SIS butterfly lock style. Yeah, the style is called butterfly lock. I have it in the color number 1B. So this is like the longer version. I did review also the shorter version. It's a beautiful butterfly lock bob, and it's beautiful. I love it. So with this one, I'm noticing that it's not a 4x4. It's just like a one part, which concerns me heavily because I feel like with braided units you do need a little more versatility, even a frontal, but the very least, like at least a 4x4. So this is a bit concerning. So yeah, she looks beautiful on the stock car model, but I'm just hoping she's gonna look beautiful on me. Okay, so now that I've taken it out of the pack, here's what the locks look like. I don't know if you guys could tell on camera, but they're like very neat. They're not like the sloppy butterfly locks, and I get that it doesn't look like as authentic as other ones, but you gotta realize like this was probably done very uniform. But however, I think it's very beautiful and neat. I am satisfied with it. But yeah, so this is how it looks. So it looks good to me. The locks does. The most important part that everybody wants to see is the back portions. So it looks like it is done on a braided cap, and it's not too full, and it's good to have like a little bit of gappage because you don't want the wig to be too full. I've actually made a butterfly lock wig, and it's like so freaking full, and that's why I never showed it to you guys, because I was trying to like make one before they came out with these, and it was just, I did too much. But anyways, that is why there is a little bit of gappage. So yeah, that's what it pretty much looks like, which is not bad because it's still, as you guys can see, like this is still like a lot of locks on this wig. So let's go ahead and show the inside construction. So this is done on a braided cap, and this seems pretty small. I don't know if it's gonna even fit my head, but it does seem pretty small. So if you have a big dome like me, I don't really know if this is going to work out for you. I guess we're going to see here in a few minutes. So it does come with 2 combs in the front as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. And then it just has this little part, which I'm not really a fan of. Hopefully I can make it work, but I don't know. And the hairline either, like the hairline, let me try to let you guys see this. So that's pretty much the hairline. I don't know, like they did so good with the first one. I don't know. And then there's some little sparse like baby hair here. So let's put her on and see and just hope for the best. Ooh, okay, so she is fitting a bit snug, and it is kind of like, this looks kind of crazy. Okay, so or it looks very crazy. So the locks are sewn like down, I guess, so that you won't see like the gappage and stuff, which you can see it over here. But whoo, child. Okay, and you can't hardly see that part. Okay, so yeah, this is like squeezing the crap out of my head, like squeezing the crap out of my head. Okay, so this does look pretty crazy on me. I'm not gonna sit here in front and lie to you. Okay, it's not giving what's supposed to be gave, especially because of the fact of how they did the first one. Yeah, see, this don't fit me. I did tilt it to the side a little bit, but it doesn't even like fit, or I don't know if they intentionally stopped it. I think this is supposed to be like, yeah, this does not fit me. Like there's no lace like over here, or I don't know if that was intentional. I don't know, but it's very small. It's not giving what's supposed to be gave, as you guys can see. I'm contemplating on should I even try to like make this work. I don't know, because I feel like I'm gonna have like a headache if I feel like I'm gonna have a headache, I will get myself together and then I will come back so I could tell you guys how I feel about it. Yeah. Okay, divas, so I have myself together now and I'm actually wearing their first butterfly lock wig that they came out with. As you guys can see, she is super cute. I really love the way that they did this wig. Like, it's just so cute. I love the parting space. This is actually a 4x4, so you don't have to wear it in the middle part, but I like it on myself. If you guys don't know, I just love my middle parts, so yeah. But anyways, we are here to talk about this one today. So this is their new butterfly lock style, and this is a longer and different version. So I showed you guys pretty much like what I didn't like about this wig, and yeah, like, I mean, I feel like they did such a good job with this one. Like, I was like so just unpleasantly surprised, you know, with the way that they did this one, because this one looks so freaking good. As you guys can see, like, it looks super natural. You have versatile parting. Like, I could part it on the side, like, there's everything's covered up, everything looks good. I don't know. So I have attempted to make a butterfly lock wig myself, and what I will say is that it's not easy. Okay, so it's really not easy to make a butterfly lock wig, and I'll show you guys. So this is the one that they made, which the density looks really natural, but it's kind of like it does still need a little bit more. And then you will see the one that I made. So the mistake that I made basically was that I put too many butterfly locks on here. Like, as you guys can see, it's like really full, and although it is beautiful, because the butterfly locks are very beautiful, don't get me wrong, but it's just like the wig is too full, and that's why I never did like a video on it. I might sell it because some people like their butterfly locks to be like super full, everything in their braided wigs, because I did do it on a braided wig cap, but as you guys can see, like, you know, the gappage you get in the normal wigs, like, no, you're not getting that with this one. And I also did it on a 4x4 closure. So yeah, and it looks really good, it has good parting space and everything, but it's just too full. Like, it looked crazy on my head. I don't know if it's just me, but yeah. So I know the struggles of trying to make a good butterfly lock wig, but however, I don't know if I can like justify this one because it's too small, which I can't really blame them for my head being too big, because that's my mama's fault. No, I'm just kidding. But like, I don't know, like, I don't know, like, this wig for me is just a no. I would definitely be selling her, and I'll probably sell the other butterfly lock wig. If anybody's interested, I will have it up there when I have my next wig sale. But yeah, so this one is just going to remain new. Now the parting space is not even, I don't know, I just feel like they didn't get it right with this one. But I was looking forward to reviewing it because I love this one so much. I was like, oh my god, they came out with one longer. As you guys know, I reviewed the other longer butterfly lock wig by Sensational, and I really do like that one as well. So yeah, I was just expecting something totally different. So this went left for me, but it doesn't mean that it's not going to be for somebody else. I think that if you want to wear your locks like in a more calm type of way, this is perfect. But I don't know, for me, I don't know, it just wasn't for me. So I'll just say that. So although I was not able to like install this wig and everything, I did want to come and bring you guys my opinion because I did purchase it with my own coins, okay? So I was like, you know what, I'm still just gonna let them know how I feel about it and everything. So for me, she's a no, sis. Like, I don't know. But yeah, I do still hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know, do you think that it's just me, or because my head is big, or have you tried this wig? Tell me what you guys think about it, because I just showed you guys the cap construction so you guys can judge it and see like how it looks and everything. Let me know if it's just me or what, sis. Like, let me know. Make sure you guys also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you guys will not miss when I upload. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss anything. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.